How are you, my beautiful audience? Welcome back to One Me School, and thanks for stay tuned with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you the importance of HTML in Android development. Alright, so let's get started. Guys, so first of all, to know the importance of HTML in Android development, I'm gonna show you my current job, and so let's go. You can see that I'm right now in a website, and if you look at that here is an image, and here is some text. Also here is some text, and here is a big banner, and again some text, and at the last I added a button here. So if I gonna arrange this text and image formally to my applications or a website, so it's obviously I should have knowledge about HTML. So I have done this job by HTML programming, so I'm gonna show you my code. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna open my notepad, and you can see there I already done that work with HTML, and you can see that here is the doc type, and I started HTML coding, and if I scroll down, you can see here that here is the text, and here is I formatted H4 this text such that this text. So HTML also very important part of Android development. If you have basic knowledge of HTML, you can integrate it to your applications or one-page application. So that was my basic job on a one-page application. So that's the videos today. I'm gonna try to talk about the importance of HTML. So if you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button, and stay tuned with me. And you can see here I added my button. That's it. HTML not a boom coding, but really it's very important in every part of development. So goodbye, and let's see you in the next videos.